Guys, this is Paul checking in with you, and today I am at Clementi West, block 709. Okay, so as you can see, okay, before I even say a word, let me just show you how the whole living room looks. Okay, so right now it's raining outside. Okay, so it's really nice and cozy when I step in, right? Okay, if you are that kind, you want a condo feel in a HDB, this is for you, okay? And you can be sure who doesn't want to stay in a brand new house, a brand new renovated place, okay? We just spent 50,000, okay, on the renos, and everything you see here is new. The furniture, okay, the electrical items, right? So we retained the right hand side would be the storeroom, okay, and then of course you get a spacious kitchen. Everything has been nicely done up, the flooring, and I'll show you more. Okay, let's have a look at the master first. Right, okay, we retain the terrazzo floor. Okay, right, so you get a huge wardrobe mirror. Okay, and then of course you get your attached baths. Who doesn't like brand new condo style bathrooms, right? Everything is brand new, and then you even get the ventilation fan as well. Okay? Everything stylishly done up, and easy to maintain as well. Okay, so one thing I'd like to tell you about the location is we're at 709, and I just ate at the 710, just the next block. You get a nice, you get two coffee shops, okay, one on each end of the block. So once again, this is the living room. So you can imagine, just chilling out here, reading a book, doing your work, watching TV, right? So relaxing, very therapeutic, right? You get a very earthy tones, and then mostly wooden furniture over here. So as I said, everything is brand new, okay? So it feels so good. You would love to cook in this kitchen, right? All the storage space that you want, okay? Everything brand new, spick and span, right? Okay, so you even get a nice dining table over here, right? You can have your meals, okay? Very open concept, spacious, okay? And we get the motorized laundry rack. And this has been nicely done up to even think of the future. Then you can allow wheelchair access. So that's why the door opens out like that. It's extra wide, okay, to cater for wheelchair. Right? So same with the air vent. Okay, beautifully done up. I would love to cook in this kitchen, wouldn't you? Okay, and I'll show you the room. So you see, it takes a while for me to even walk to the rooms as well. So very spacious living, dining area. Okay, so this has three bedrooms. So just now I showed you the master. So I'll show you the other two rooms. Of course, we do have some perhaps some spare furniture pieces. Okay, so everything is flexible. You can let me know about the furniture arrangement. So if you don't have any furniture, then this is just perfect. You can just move in immediately, everything, and it still smells of a brand new home. Okay, so you'll be the first lucky tenant to be able to stay in this brand new home. Okay, I would love to move here. All right, see, such a huge space all for you, right? This feels like the space of a master HDB bedroom. Okay, so you can imagine, even if you want to put in your own king bed, with let's say you want to put in a work desk, no problem. Or if you have kids, then this will be perfect for a kid's room as well, right? Okay. And every room is equipped with a ceiling fan, okay, and brand new aircon. Okay, so with warm lighting, very comfortable, very cozy. Feel free to, of course, when you move in, you can add in your own touches as well, your own personalization. And this place you will be getting the West Coast MRT, ready in a few years, walkable. And as I mentioned, you can actually walk to the next block with coffee shops. And of course, as you know, we have the West Coast Market, we have West Coast Plaza as well, right? And it's just a short bus ride to Clementi MRT. Okay, so even the kitchen, when you're cooking, it has a fan that's ready for you. And of course, with the windows open, it's definitely very airy. Okay. So I can assure you, once I do one open house, this house will be taken immediately. Okay, so Paul here, just call me immediately if you want to book this house right now. I'll see you.